The peacock plant is an evergreen perennial that stands out for its striking foliage. The top sides have vibrant dark green blotches along the veins, and the undersides contain the same pattern but in a dazzling shade of purple or pink. This plant truly is showy, just like a peacock. The peacock plant is also what you would call a prayer plant. In the evening, the plant raises and closes its leaves, making it look like it is saying a prayer before going to bed. When the sun rises, the leaves open up again. Peacock plant is good for planting in courtyards and under the shade along the roadside. It also does well in containers and for decorating exhibition halls and lobbies. Since it is native to eastern Brazil, it thrives best in warm, humid climates. Therefore, if you live in a temperate or cool region, you will need to cultivate your peacock plant indoors. Luckily, the peacock plant is not too difficult to care for. Unlike many plants, the peacock plant needs to be placed in an area with plenty of shade. Plant it in well-draining soil and make sure to keep the soil moist. It is recommended that you water the plant twice a week when the top half-inch of soil has dried out. Water thoroughly until the soil is saturated and drain out the excess. The peacock plant truly stands out like a peacock with its exotic and stunning foliage. With just a bit of care, this plant will become the most striking feature found in your garden.